Do you know what is the name of these animals? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kids the Kids. Today, we wanna play and learn about how to spell the name of these animals. Okay, let's get started. The first animal is...
Wow!
Do you know what is the name of these animals? This animal's name is bear. How to spell it? B-E-A-R. Can you repeat that again? Okay. B-E-A-R. Bear. Yay! Okay. The second animal is...
Wow!
Do you know what is the name of these animals? This animal's name is zebra.
Wow!
Can you spell it? Okay, repeat after me. Z-E-B-R-A. Once again. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Yay! The third animal is... Oops! Do you know what is the name of these animals? No. This animal's name is Rhinoceros. Can you spell it for me? No. Okay. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Yay! And then the last animal is... Oops! Wow! I think you know what this animal is. Yeah, what is the name of these animals? Leopard. Can you spell it for me? No? Okay, repeat after me. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Okay, once again. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard! Yay! Okay, there's the video for today. Don't forget to like on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Kids the Kids. Bye bye! See you in the next video!